Al-Shabab thrives in context of poor governance, a state of fragility, lack of education, civic education in particular, as well as other economic factors, and the most importantly, the growing political grievances. Al-Shabab knows this very well, and it capitalizes on these vulnerabilities. In terms of their operations, Al-Shabab continues to retain significant deadly military capabilities, as well as the ability to plan executed mass casualty attacks in the heart of Somali cities, including the Somali capital, Mogadishu. We need to emphasize that Al-Shabab is becoming more economically powerful as it started to collect taxes, products on the arrival at seaport from the first time in its history. No financial transaction takes place without Al-Shabab's share of illegal extortion money is put aside. This shows that they are more financially capable in carrying out more devastating attacks on innocent lives. The memories of the 14th of October 2017 attacks is still with us. More than 600 innocent lives were lost in this terrorist attack alone. Efforts to defeat this group, they have proven time and again and that they are capable to adapting to the reality on the ground. Their peak between 2008 and 2011, when they controlled nearly half of the country. The current government has more resources and opportunities in terms of military and financial capability compared to what we had during our government, yet have failed to mitigate the threat of Al-Shabaab. This shows that fight against Al-Shabaab is not